Remember, remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder, treason and plot. I know of no reason the gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. An excellent little mnemonic that every British child learns. Today is the 5th of November, and that means it's bonfire night in the UK. Bonfire night is an interesting holiday. It's the day that we remember, even celebrate, a plot to blow up the Houses of Parliament by Guy Fawkes, a Catholic revolutionary. Now, in my eyes, Guy Fawkes isn't a villain, isn't a revolutionary. He's a fool. Guy Fawkes was found under the Houses of Parliament with stacks and stacks of gunpowder because he thought that the way to power was physical. He believed that if he destroyed a building, and perhaps the people within it, he would be able to rise to power. His cause would be bolstered in some way. But I know that the way to power isn't something that you can push someone into, not physically. Because as long as their minds can resist, as long as their belief isn't with you, they will always find a way to undo whatever you've done, whether it be blowing up a building or another thing. Any physical action, as long as the minds of man remain unchanged, will be undone. No. If you want to take power, if you want to really claim and change things, you have to change minds. You have to get inside people's heads. And you have to be so deep inside their head that they don't notice you in the halls of their mind with that explosive charge that you're storing there. That they don't realize that you've been stockpiling gunpowder inside their head until it's too late. Until you break them. Until you blow it all up and replace it with something better. No. Guy Fawkes had it all wrong. You know how it feels now. You know that this revolution that I'm causing inside your head is one that you welcome, you embrace, you want more of. And so I've already won. Your flag has already fallen, and my armies are already marching inside of your head. And you'll collaborate, won't you? You're already an agent in your own demise. Already held hostage by your own thought. Belonging to and with me. Exactly where you want to be. Happy bonfire night.